Okay, we've come out to London to look at our Saniflo Macerator. It's making a strange noise when we flush the toilet. A squeaking noise. Strange. Okay, we have to pull the toilet out because the unit's behind the wood panelling. Okay. Away. Right, just got to turn the water off. Stop the valve. Right, let's undo the mains water supply. Okay, we've removed the toilet from the pipe, and then I need to see what's behind the panel still. If I can't see nothing physical, I can see physically there's something inside the actual unit. The first important thing we have to do is to switch and isolate the appliance. So that's off.
Ta-da!
That's it. Nappy white or something, I'm not quite sure what it is, but that's the material. Okay, we've removed the object and it saves me having to remove the rear panel and the tiles at the bottom to access the actual Saniflo unit. So the job's done now. We put it back together and we'll give it a test. Let's just have to get this back on. Okay, we now do a test to see if it's working and the noise has stopped. That's fine, it's working, satisfactory. Perfect, job done.